Hi and welcome to Grandad and Enfield. Today we are going to hear how the Interceptor sounds on the TEC exhaust. The full stainless steel system, and in my opinion makes a nice crisp sound with a few pops and bangs on the overrun. It also has a huge weight saving if you want to save weight. It's a lot more free flowing. Enough of me, let's hear it. Cold today, so what better way to warm up than a hot chocolate? We are in the workshop tea rooms, about 5 kilometres from Cork Airport. It is a family run business. The cakes are baked in-house. It has taken a kind of backward approach to the phrase out with the old, in with the new, as you will mostly find antique and vintage pieces, with most of them for sale. We are having a snowball hot chocolate. This place is really worth a visit, and if we don't support these places they will disappear, and all we'll be left with was the big multinational companies. Thanks for watching and ride safe. Grandad on an Enfield.